every president that is there, we have to have always high expectation because they have a special love for Goa. Mr. Nitin Nabin is a young person, a dynamic person. He has held various positions. We wish him all the best, and he is supposed to also come to Goa. Dates are almost finalized. So he will be visiting Goa perhaps in this month itself towards the end. We wish him all the best, and I think our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant led the delegation to him to meet him and greet him, and all of us were there when the function took place in the BJP headquarters. So I think it augurs good times for the BJP. BJP today is a pan-Indian party. Every state its presence is there, and where presence is not there, I think the way things are moving, BJP will establish its foothold in every state, whether it is even Kerala for that matter, whether it is even West Bengal. It is sooner or later BJP is going to come to power there as well, and with a young and dynamic leader like Nitin Nabin, this will definitely happen.